Ngihambela shoni langawe
umshado-ke kuthina-ke sizwe simnyama siwuthatha lapho ukuthi lapho umndeni wakhiwa khona nanokuthi umshado-ke uyisibusiso esivela kuNkulunkulu engicabanga ukuthi umfowethu usihloniphile leso sipho njoba kuze kwafika lolu suku lwanamhlanje. Sibongeke nabasemhlungwini ngembali abasipha yona ukuthi izokwandisa kaMlotshwa iphinde futhi izowuvusa umuzi wakaMlotshwa. Ukuba khona-ke kwamakoti kuleli gceke lakaMlotshwa kuyisibusiso esikhulu.
I'm so grateful that I'm here and I am witnessing this day of their love and, two families joining together. I wish Ulungile and Sibari a very happily ever after. I've seen the love grow and it's just so beautiful to witness, and I hope that they continue to, work together and put their family first and trust God through everything they do. I love them so much.
Angishayeli khwela ngifike ngikhopoze lenti singwinile webaba nomama kukhulu okuzayo ngiyathemba nivivile wemama nobaba kukhulu okuzayo ngiqabule weshukela wami ngithaza masethi Sunday ngiqabule sweet my love. Ngichola no swalaga ngishinga lensizwa ngidalaga into engafundeki ngakancane yashela kahle nami ngisiphalapha lenkabi ngithanda kakhulu ufike sengibiza ngoNdlunkulu uthi uzongithengela indlu enkulu wemkhulu kuzocwala abazukulu lenkabi ngithanda kakhulu darling ngiyakuzwa ngizophelela kini ngiyafuna ningabe nisangishela uthando ngamnika lwaphela Sunday ngiqabule weshukela